Sarah, I've been thinking about this for a long time, and I love you more than anything in the world. Will you marry me?
Alex, I love you too. You know that. But marriage?
I know it's a big step, but I've never been more certain about anything in my life. You're my best friend, my soulmate. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
It's a huge commitment. Have you thought this through?
Yes, I have. I've been planning this for months. I've imagined our future together, building a home, maybe even starting a family someday. It all feels right with you.
Alex, I appreciate everything you're saying, but there's something I need to be honest about.
What is it, Sarah? You can tell me anything.
It's not just about love, Alex. Marriage involves so much more. Financial stability, future planning, security. We've talked about our dreams and aspirations, but we haven't really discussed how we're going to achieve them.
Are you worried about money? I know we're not rich, but we'll manage. We've always found a way to get through tough times together.
Alex, managing is one thing, but building a life together requires more than just getting by. We need to think about our future, our responsibilities. Right now, we're both still figuring out our careers and how to achieve financial stability.
So, you're saying you don't want to marry me because I don't have enough money?
It's not just about money. It's about security and planning for a future where we can both be comfortable and not constantly stressed about finances. I've seen how financial struggles can strain relationships, and I don't want that for us.
I get it, but I believe we can build that future together. We'll work hard, support each other, and eventually, we'll get to where we want to be.
I want to believe that too, Alex. But I've also seen how unpredictable life can be. What if things don't go as planned? What if we struggle more than we anticipated?
We'll face those challenges together. Isn't that what love and marriage are about? Supporting each other through thick and thin?
Yes, but I also want us to be practical. Love alone can't pay the bills or ensure a secure future. We need to be realistic about our situation.
So, what do you suggest? What do we need to do to get to a place where you feel comfortable marrying me?
Let's take some time to work on our individual goals, especially our careers and financial stability. We can still be together, love each other, and support each other, but let's also make sure we're building a solid foundation for our future.
I understand. I want what's best for both of us too. I'll work harder and make sure we're in a better place. But, Sarah, I need to know that you're with me in this.
I am, Alex. I'm with you every step of the way. I just want to make sure we're both ready for the commitment that marriage brings.
We'll get there, together. I promise.
Thank you for understanding, Alex. I love you.